All right, ladies, a very, very good evening to all of you and welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good and, all of you are safe and healthy. So, Forever Star India is India's biggest community holding two simultaneous beauty pageants as of now, Forever Miss and Mrs. India 2021. So today you are here for your audition and, which will inculcate into a very memorable experience because we will be also sending out an audition report in return, which will be valid for a period of lifetime, ensuring a transparent process. And of course, it will be sent to all of you, irrespective of your selection or not. So I hope all of you can hear me. Please give me a thumbs up. Great, thank you. Thank you so much. So let's get started with the audition process. Unfortunately, there's another jury member, Miss Kirti Chaudhary. She is listening to us, but due to bad weather conditions, she won't be available to interact today. So, we'll be talking amongst ourselves. So I am Harry Khosa, the project coordinator of Forever Star India. So let's get started with the audition process. It's going to be in two steps. The first step is going to be a ramp walk. So we expect you to put your frame, set your frame in a position where I could see you walk. Two rounds of ramp walk and then आप बैठ जाएंगे for your introduction, which should be very short and crisp. Basically, your educational qualifications, your hobbies, and why you are here today on this platform. Why do you want to win the crown of Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021? So ramp walk, आप लोग सब एक साथ शुरू करेंगे. Interaction we will be taking one-on-one. So I'd request you all to begin.
Okay. Like this is yes to do. Yes. So how? So now you can. Oh, you can see me.
Yes, the frames are perfect. You guys can start.
Go back. Shall I begin?
Yes, Richa, you can start. Oppo 1AK and Bharti Singh, can you please start your videos?
Okay.
Richa, one more round, please. 2 rounds are expected. Hi, Bharti. Kindly start with your ramp walk. आप mute पे हैं, so I can't hear you. Okay, so the 4 who have completed their ramp walks, you guys can sit back. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मैम मेरा पैर फ्रैक्चर है.
Okay, no problem, not an issue. We'll put that on to a later one. Yeah. The one with the device Oppo A1K. Can you please start your video? Also, I'll be putting all of you on mute so that there is no disturbance while I'll be interacting one-on-one. So let's start and hear it from Shruti. Hi, Shruti. How are you?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And please start with your introduction.
Yes. So hello, Hina. Very happy to be here. I'm Shruti Pandit. I'm 35 years old. And I'm working as a software engineer in an IT-based company based out of USA. And my hobbies include dancing, watching Netflix, and studying. So I read a lot. That's about it. And I'm here to explore the other side of me. So modeling has always been a passion, photography has been a passion. So have participated in pageants before also. And I think it's a great platform to explore your personality and your creative side, and hence I'm here. So that's about it.
Sounds wonderful. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much for putting it out so well. But I just want to know, what do you aspire? Suppose you win the crown, suppose you win the pageant. What are your goals? Where do you see yourself 5 years down the lane from here?
So here is the thing. See, I'm at a age right now where I want to be an inspiration for other women. So when I participated in pageants, met many women, even met women who were housewives, and they pushed themselves and went onto the stage. So there are many women like us, like who have got immense potential, but they don't know how to express their potential, or how to go out of their comfort zone and achieve something. So I want to be an inspiration for all such women. I think 5 years down the line, I want to write a book for them, to how you can explore your potentials and go out and reach your best. That's where I see.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much. And I shall get back to you in a while. Let me just hear it from the one with the white upper, Galaxy A7. Can you please unmute yourself? आप म्यूट पे हैं, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. There must be a mic icon नीचे left पे. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, got it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your name? आपका device name show हो
Yes,
रहा है.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I forgot to edit it. My name is Priya Shishodia. I'm 20 years old. I live in Faridabad, Haryana, since 17 years, and I'm pursuing my graduation in BA Psychology Honors from Delhi University. Yes, I have done my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, and during my school time, I've secured 10th GPA in 10th standard, and got a scholarship for that too. My hobbies are, I like to sing. It's not like that just to say. I really sing well, and I like to dance. I have participated in various competitions, and yes, ma'am. Other than this, I love to swim. I love swimming. It's yes, ma'am. That's all.
Okay. So, Priya, what else, I have to ask is that, what brings you here today? You are into psychology, you sing, but what brings you here and why do you want to win the crown?
Yes, ma'am. One of my friend is a pageant holder. She named Harshil Kalia. She won the title of Miss Pink City. She was first runner-up there, and she motivated and she, pushed me to participate in any other pageant you may see in future. Sorry for that.
All right. So, do you see yourself becoming a model?
Yes, ma'am. During my college, I participated in modeling, and there I've walked on ramp also.
Okay, makes sense. Thank you. And I'm sure we'll be hearing your singing as well really soon in the talent round. So thank you so much, Priya. And it was lovely hearing from you. I'll just move to Richa. Hi, Richa. आप प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's okay now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you.
You are so beautiful. You're so
Thank
beautiful.
you. Thank you. That's so sweet. Thank you. So please start with your introduction.
Actually, my name is Richa Garg. Actually, we stay in UAE, Dubai. So recently we have shifted to India. Not yet shifted, just thinking about to shift here.
Okay.
So right now I am free. Like I have 2 children. My son is doing engineering last year. My daughter, she is in grade 12. And everybody likes glamorous word. So I like women's in makeup, but it doesn't suit me. So I don't do. So I thought, let's start something. Let's do something.
Okay, makes sense. मुझे आपकी बात एकदम समझ आई. लेकिन I still want to know, what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy as an individual?
I enjoy driving.
Okay.
Long drive, explore new things, and to meet new people. I want to do actually something in literacy world. To literate some people. I want to go in the interiors. I want to meet people and do something for them.
Okay, that's interesting. Thank you, Richa. Thank you so much. And I shall get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Penny Jain. क्या आप प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकती हैं?
हाँ जी मैडम. गुड इवनिंग मैम.
गुड इवनिंग. कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम.
अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज.
हाँ जी, मैं मणिकांत जैन, फरीदाबाद, हरियाणा से हूँ मैम. और मेरी एज 40 ईयर्स है। मैं राष्ट्रीय खिलाड़ी रह चुकी हूँ जिम्नास्टिक में, एमपी से गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट रही हूँ और हाल फिलहाल सेल्फ योगा करती हूँ अभी।
ओके, क्लियरली आपकी हॉबीज तो आपने इंडिकेट कर दी हैं और आपका इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकग्राउंड है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस, आई एम श्योर एवरीबॉडी हियर इज लो की प्राउड ऑफ यू। नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, व्हाट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द आइडियल क्वेश्चन इज कि आप उस फील्ड से इस फील्ड में क्यों आना चाहती हैं?
मैम, जो बचपन में जवानी में मेरे सपने पूरे नहीं हुए, मैं उसको अब पूरा करना चाहती हूँ 40 इयर्स की एज में। बस
एज तो कभी बैरियर होगा ही नहीं, आप अभी भी इतनी खूबसूरत हैं एंड आई एम श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू डू ग्रेट। लेकिन आपका सपना था क्या वैसे?
हाँ, मेरा था पुलिस में जाने का, पर कुछ वजह से मैं जा नहीं पाई और अब सोचा कि मॉडलिंग करूं योगा के बेस पर, तो मैं यहाँ हूँ अभी।
वंडरफुल, परफेक्ट, बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है। अपने सपने कभी भी एज शुड नेवर बी अ बार टू कंप्लीट योर ड्रीम्स। सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड मैं आपसे थोड़ी देर में बात करती हूँ। लेट मी हियर इट फ्रॉम सोनम टिल देन। हाय सोनम, कैसी हैं आप?
हेलो, मैं करौली से हूँ, सोनम राजावत। और मैंने बीएसटी किया है मैथ्स से और साथ में वेटनरी किया है और प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ। और एचएन इसमें आना चाहती थी, इसलिए मैंने ये ज्वाइन किया।
ओके, तो सोनम आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं? आपको क्या करना पसंद है?
मैं हर चीज़ में ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए इस डिपार्टमेंट में आना देखना चाहती हूँ कैसा क्या है।
ठीक है, तो लेकिन आपके कुछ शौक है लाइक डांस करना, गाना गाना या कुछ ऐसा समथिंग लाइक दिस?
मैं राजस्थान से हूँ, तो राजस्थानी सॉन्ग पे डांस करती हूँ, घूमर।
ओके, आपको घूमर करना पसंद है?
हाँ।
चलो बढ़िया। एंड आप अगर आप जीतती हैं तो क्या आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं सोनम?
ये जीतने के बाद डिसाइड किया जाएगा कि हाँ मैं जीतती हूँ या नहीं।
नहीं, पर जज्बा हमेशा होना चाहिए कि हम जीतने के लिए आए हैं तो जीतेंगे ही, प्रॉब्लम क्या है? डोंट वरी। ओके, सो मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ। लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम भारती सिंह। हाय भारती, कैन यू प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड स्टार्ट योर वीडियो? या
Hello, everyone. My name is Bharti and I'm from Palam, Delhi. Sorry. And I'm very happy today because I'm very happy.
ओके, भारती नर्वस नहीं होना है, इट्स ओके, आई एम नॉट हियर टू जज यू। आप लोग इतने इंटरेस्टिंग इंडिविजुअल्स हैं दैट आई एम श्योर आप लोग अपने आप में बहुत यूनिक हैं। मुझे बस आप लोगों के बारे में जानना है। जैसे आप अपने दोस्तों से बात करती हैं वैसे आप मुझसे बात कर सकती हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है?
Hello, everyone. My name is Bharti and I'm from Delhi. I'm very happy today join in this audition and Forever Star India Award give us a chance to improve your personality and shine with the Forever Star India Awards.
ठीक है, ओके, ये हो गई फॉरएवर स्टार की बात। अब भारती के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं। आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं?
My hobby is cooking and listening a song.
ओके, तो अब आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्यों? आप आपके सपने क्या हैं? आपकी एस्पिरेशंस क्या हैं फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया से?
Forever Star platform is a unique platform for us and fabulous platform.
ओके ओके, पानी पी लीजिए, डोंट वरी, हो गया, ऑडिशन खत्म हो गया, ठीक है? तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। लेट मी हियर इट फ्रॉम ओप्पो A1K जो ट्रैवल कर रही हैं। क्या आप प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकती हैं?
Hello.
हाय, आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ मैं?
Yes, I'm Dr. Tilottama Salvi, madam.
ओके ओके, हाय, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. So I can see you are traveling so clearly. हम walk तो नहीं देख पाएंगे, but I would love to know more about you. So please, if you could start with your introduction, it would be great.
Yes, I'm Dr. Tilottama Salvi from Mumbai, and I have completed my master's in computer science and my bachelor's of education with advanced diploma in French language.
Okay.
I have been awarded with honorary doctorate by the University of Swahili, Panama. And recently, I have been honored with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for excellency in management.
That's great. Yeah.
My motto in my life is to work out for orphan children because they are the future of our country. So if I work for them, they would create a better position for our country.
Absolutely.
And my hobbies are dancing, listening songs, writing poems.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. And it was an absolute pleasure hearing from you. Thank you for taking out time despite the travel. So I'll get back to you in a while, and let me hear from Prajakta. Till then, hi Prajakta, क्या please अपना video और audio on कर सकती हैं?
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. You say?
I am good. Thank you for asking. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए please.
मेरा नाम प्राजक्ता आशीष है और मैं कोल्हापुर से हूँ, महाराष्ट्र। अभी पढ़ती हूँ, सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ।
Okay.
और
आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं और आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्यों आना चाहती हैं? Why do you want to win the crown?
क्योंकि मुझे मॉडलिंग करना है इसलिए।
Okay. And what do you enjoy as a person? आपकी हॉबीज क्या हैं?
मुझे डांसिंग करना अच्छा लगता है और लोगों को हेल्प करना भी अच्छा लगता है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू प्राजक्ता, थैंक यू अपने बारे में बताने के लिए। So thank you ladies, this brings us to the end of today's conversation. It was an absolute pleasure hearing all of you. I am sure you must have realized by now that you are different individuals. आप लोग एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हैं, but the one thing that combines all of you and brings you to the root back is to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाना, अपने लिए एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म की तलाश जो आपको अपने सपने पूरे करने में हेल्प करे. So trust me, you are on the right platform and it's an absolute pleasure to have each one of you here today. Thank you so much for putting yourself out so beautifully. I am delighted. And now I shall take some time to talk about the platform. जैसे आप लोगों ने मुझे अपने बारे में बताया, you also deserve to know what you are entering into, right? So आज आपका audition complete होता है. This automatically completes your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. So congratulations first of all. And moving forward, after completing the audition within 48 hours, weekend को exclude करके, you will be receiving an audition report via email or WhatsApp. The idea is to keep the process very transparent because I'm sure at subah aap uthe, you were like, I have to prepare for my audition, and it takes a lot of courage to sit across a virtual screen and talk about yourself to an absolute stranger. So to applaud that, the audition report is going to be a token of appreciation and of course to give you clarity that if you have been selected or not. And that's not it. ये audition report lifetime के लिए valid होगी for Forever Star India. So, you will not have to appear for any audition ever again with Forever Star for the period of lifetime, even if you want to enter this pageant all over again. So that's the idea. We want to appreciate your effort right from the scratch and keep it very transparent of, what are your weak points, where do you lack, and where do you need to improve. So moving forward, after you receive the audition report, considering that you are beautiful women, and I'm sure you all are going to get selected. And after that, your journey will start as a participant, as a member of our community. Now, why a community? The idea is Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. Our aim is to build a community of like-minded women who are really passionate to make a mark for themselves and just want to prove their talents through, either of the opportunities that they get. So, once you clear the auditions, you become a member, and that membership allows you to get, to access a lifetime membership of the platform. Before I move to that, I just want to give you an idea of what holds a place for you for the next 4 to 5 months. You will be given an extensive training. 4 से 5 महीने आपको extensively train किया जाएगा by 150 plus experts from different profiles. Image consultants, stylists, makeup artists, for that matter, Rambog experts, fitness experts. I can just go on and go on. 150 plus experts will be training you virtually, so that you can access these trainings from the comfort spaces of your homes. आपको इन एक्सपर्ट्स से ऑनलाइन सब कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, एंड द फिनाले विल बी हेल्ड इन दिसंबर, व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रैंड मैग्नानिमस अफेयर, गेटिंग ऑल द सिटी, स्टेट एंड नेशनल विनर्स टुगेदर, बिकॉज हम एक नहीं 350 करने वाले हैं. So there will be 350 plus winners who will be crowned all together in the finale in December, and I'm sure crown पहनना किसी को भी online अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You would want to wear that, offline in those couture gowns, while looking your best, and putting your best foot forward. So till then, you will be groomed properly, and you will be taken care of by us, irrespective of all the talents you have. So the idea is to just have talented women who are here to prove themselves, nothing else. We do not expect pretty much anything else from you. And in the similar way, after the pageant is over, basic benefits honge pageant ke, jo agar main batana shuru karu to it will take me long, but I'll just count some on my hands. So digital certificate of participation aap har kisi ko milega. 4 months down the lane, jab aap Google pe search karenge, Miss India Priya, Shruti, Richa, Bharti, आपको अपना नाम टॉप पे मिलने वाला है, बिकॉज हम आपकी प्रोफाइल इस तरह बूस्ट करेंगे कि आपको गूगल पे अपना नाम, एंड दिस इज फॉर एवरी पार्टिसिपेंट, नॉट जस्ट द विनर्स. दीज जो बेनिफिट्स व्हिच आई एम टेलिंग, and all of you will be receiving shopping vouchers worth rupees 12,000 and so on and so on. आप ये benefits website पे जाके check कर सकते हैं. Now coming to the major benefit that I want to talk about is lifetime membership. Now why a lifetime membership? Usually क्या होता है, pageant खत्म होने के बाद either you lose or you win, right? But the idea is कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म से जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी जनरेट होगी, आपको उसका डायरेक्ट एक्सेस मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नेक्स्ट ईयर हम अपना खुद का OTT लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. आई एम श्योर यू गाइज आर अवेयर हाउ Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon have been ruling the entertainment industry, with all these respective fields. So we will be looking for actors, singers, choreographers, and all these profiles from you guys, our community members. The idea is to give you enough opportunities to prove your talent through n number of ways that you can. So pageant is not the ultimate goal. The goals are many. Your talent is just needed. That's all that we need. So that is where lifetime membership comes into picture, that we will be giving you multiple opportunities. मौके बहुत सारे होंगे अपने आप को prove करने के. And even if you want to become an actor, a singer, a choreographer, or for that matter, if any one of you, like मणिकांता जी ने बोला कि she is a yoga expert, तो अगले साल हम उनके साथ योगा ट्रेनर की तरह कोलैबोरेट करेंगे, if she proves her talent right. Because हमारे पास जो इस साल ट्रेनर्स हैं वो अगले साल रिपीट नहीं होंगे, तो वो सेकंड सीजन के पार्टिसिपेंट्स को ट्रेन कर पाएंगे. So it's just your talent that we need, nothing else. That's what I'm trying to convey here. So that's the deal, and trust me, it's going to be a fun ride. We are going to explore a lot, learn a lot, and eventually realize the best out of you. So thank you so much for hearing me out patiently. I am putting in the details of Forever Star India's social media handles onto the chat box. Research out well, YouTube पे check कीजिए हमारे sessions कैसे चल रहे हैं, how we are going about it, and then have a look and realize what the whole idea is. Check out our website, our community section, where we have professionals from all over the field, right? So, and I'm sure, that will give you more clarity of where do you stand and where do we stand. So thank you so much for hearing me out so patiently. There's one more thing that I would like to add, कि ये पार्टिसिपेशन बेनिफिट्स और लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप एक्सेस करने के लिए आपको एक मिनिमल फी पे करना होगा 4000 प्लस GST. उसके बाद कोई भी हिडन चार्जेस नहीं होंगे. This is to ensure all the benefits that I've counted upon so far. So yeah, that's the process, and I hope I have made myself a little clear here. फिर भी आप लोगों को कोई भी doubts हैं, please go ahead. I would be more than happy to answer.
Yeah, can I go first?
Yes, Shruti, please tell me.
So few questions I have. So like, let's say we are working professionals. So you said that there will be 150 trainings. So will they be live trainings or sessions will be recorded that we can access
Okay,
later?
so we have both. So we work both ways. So in case, because see, you will be undergoing training where you will be receiving a training session 1 per week or 2 per week. That would be the scenario. Okay. And in case we understand most of you are either working or homemakers, so making out time is difficult. So the recordings will always be available, but the sessions would be mostly live. So you can work it out either way that works for you. And we also have various batches कि अगर आप एक batch में नहीं attend कर पाए, there will be always an alternate option to attend the live again.
Got it. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks for answering that, Harry. And another question is, this 4,000 we'll have to pay after we get selected for the audition when
Yes, yes. After your selection, once you get the audition report, आपको clarity मिल जाएगा कि आप selected हो या नहीं. And then our customer care team will be getting in touch to guide you even better. And थोड़ा और clarity आ जाएगा आपको, because I'm sure you will also research what we are into and what we are doing. So yeah, they will be helping you out, and that is when the amount has to be paid.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. That's it.
Most welcome. Anything else, ladies? आपको कुछ भी सवाल है, doubt है, confusion है, please go ahead. Yes, doctor, do you have a question?
Yes, yes. All our next rounds would be online.
Yes, yes. The rounds would be online. The finale would be executed offline, because see, the point is that we have experts from all across the country. So it's unfair for us to expect you to travel. And considering COVID has also not gotten any better so far, the things are still very, very vulnerable. So to ensure that the training is kept very safely, and each of you, no matter where you live, even if you are from a semi-urban or a rural area, you will be accessing those experts within the comfort spaces of your homes.
Okay. One more thing I wanted to ask you, for traveling, we have to, with our own expense, we would be traveling, right?
That's a very later call. You would be winning a wealthy amount. I don't think so traveling expense would be an issue, because the winners would be receiving cash prizes as well. So, let's hope for the best, and that would be calculated then and there as well.
Okay. And we would be posted for the all the rounds which are going to be conducted.
Of course, round से पहले आपकी trainings होंगी. हर exam से पहले coaching होती है, right? तो वो coaching भी हम provide करेंगे, and उसके बाद आपका exam लिया जाएगा.
Okay.
जी. So the idea is to groom you guys, because आप लोग, what you learn from here, what you take away from here, irrespective of you winning or not, is more important for, I think, everybody here. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Most welcome. So thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. Sonam, आपको कोई सवाल पूछना है?
ये ऑडिशन अभी पता चल जाएगा या फिर बाद में पता चलेगा? कैसे पता चलेगा मैम, ये बता सकते हैं?
मैक्स आपको ट्यूसडे तक पता चल जाएगा. संडे है तो इसलिए संडे इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर अस. सो मंडे को ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट्स रेडी हो जाएंगे, ट्यूसडे शाम तक आपको मिल जाएंगे. Yes, Richa, do you also have a question?
Yeah, it's okay for me. Everything is clear.
Okay.
Let's hope for the best.
सोनम, आपको जवाब मिल गया?
नहीं, नो मैम, मुझे नहीं मिला. आप दोबारा रिटर्न करना.
तो ट्यूसडे शाम तक आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट आ जाएगा.
ओके ओके.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for being here with us today. And it was an absolute pleasure hearing from all of you. Thank you so much for sharing things about you. And I'm really looking forward to see you guys in the training sessions. Goodbye. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.